See, you can see to select particular fields we have seen, right? Select ID, title, employee ID, like that we are giving. Order by also we have seen. Order by field value. Okay. Filtering, you see this filter by title. Uh, dollar symbol filter equal to employee EQ. We need to use EQ and whatever the value we need to pass. So we'll try this items. Title EQ. We'll see BCC will give. Okay, all the values. So whenever we are trying to copy paste from the internet, this double quotes, single quotes, and all may cause issue sometimes. That's the issue even I received right now. That's why it thrown error. Okay, so I think it applied the filter. Title BCC only the particular item it fetched. Okay, you go through this one as well. Starts with month, so this also useful. Mm, there are recipe for different functionalities: search, user profile, search. user profile and all. You go through all this. Just have glance on all those things, so that you will be familiar with it. How you will get it. Yes, say for example, I'm uploading document. Sorry, I am uploading a document, and automatically the document approvals to needs to go to my manager. How we will achieve it means through REST API you can get my user profile data. From there you will get my reporting manager. Then you send the email to reporting manager. Likewise we can achieve. Okay, so SharePoint. SP dot. Whether it works here. See, this is the method I have passed. Okay, to get all properties of the current user, to get all property of for yourself, you need to pass this URL API SP user profile purple manager dot get my properties. So you can see the ID, account name. This is the account name, first name Sriram, last name, phone number. So all the details about yourself, whatever there in the user profile, it will fetch from there. You can see there is a property called manager. If you want to send an email to manager, you can get this property value and send to him. Okay. You go through this one also. Get all properties of specific user. So I don't want my details. I want to receive check your details and the user who uploaded the document, their details means we need to pass like this. So if we pass, that user details will be available for us and we can do our operations. Same with SharePoint Search API. So here underscore API till this server URL only underscore API search query we need to pass. So once we pass the query, the query value, whatever the value or pass query parameter, if you want to apply filter, everything we can do from here as well. Okay, we'll see whether query works here. Query text, I'll give text The query text is missing. And get request it should work. You can see all the values available and it's so we'll see one URL, its property, everything will come here. Okay. You use so for to get data from larger sources means we will go with search query instead of list query. We'll go with search query. Say for example, you are creating a web port. That web port should display content from all the lists in your site means instead of going and querying in list we can simply implement search API. So search API will fetch data from all the list and will give in one result set. Okay, that we can simply display. Okay, it will improve performance as well. Okay, this kind of question also they'll ask you. The question is so I said right. So if you want to display four fields A, B, C, D, and these four fields are available in four four different lists. How we will display in this admin home page? So you can say I'll try to query the four lists through search API, and it will give a single result set. From there, we can simply display it in this admin home page instead of querying each list by REST API and combining each result. So if you say in that way, they will have more questions in that. Okay. So for that, better response would be uh, doing through search API. Okay. You can see here. So through browser, how you are getting the data, all those things we have seen. Okay, so from code, how to achieve it is the thing they have given here. Okay, through code we will call the API using Ajax. Ajax is the one used to communicate with server. We can update page without refreshing it. testing it. Okay. So sometimes they may ask how we will call this API from the client side means using Ajax query we will call. Okay. This is the sample method they are given. Retrieve list item. Okay, here you can see first you need to refer the jQuery methods. Ajax, Ajax part of jQuery. So to use Ajax, we need to include jQuery.js file in our source, our page. Okay. So first we need to include that jQuery, that library file. How to include jQuery library file? jQuery JavaScript. You can see simple way. Script src that wherever if you added it in the SharePoint library, you can give that library path in that src. Okay, that's it. It will automatically fetch data, fetch the jQuery file. Okay, once you have included it, this is the actual Ajax call. For any API, this would be the process. Like through jQuery, if you are calling this, this would be the steps. Okay. First, we need to give URL type in the sense like get or post and header would be this header and all you can copy paste for SharePoint. Okay. URL is the place only thing we need to change. Okay. Here, what they are trying to do web list get by title. They are giving some name items select from the list they are selecting all the items and fields are only company and industry only these two fields they are selecting. Okay. Here you can see in what is that execute non-query also we have seen right success and failure. Okay, same way here also we need to give success and the error method. Okay, if it is that Ajax call is succeeded it will come here. Okay, what we need to do that we need to mention here if it is failed, so how to display the failed error message that we need to decide in this error method. Okay, so in the success method, what they are doing, trying to do, you can see. So data dot d dot result dot length. Data dot d dot results is the one you remember. Okay, in this order only, all the item results will be available. Of I, from there you will get company name, whatever it is, industry. That data dot d dot cells of G, it will come like this. If there are three results, first result would be data dot d dot results of 0 dot title. Title ID name. It will come like this. Okay. For second item, it will be 1 For third item, it will be two. Okay, so how to loop it? They have given it in the for loop. For variable I equal 0, I the data dot result dot length. Results dot length, it will give how many number of records available in the result. Okay, if there are three, it will give us three. Else, if there are 10, 10 it will return. Okay, so it will increment one by one. That for loop, first it will come 0, in the second loop it will come 1, so that they are appending in the div tag, results div tag, then they are printing it. That's the operation they are trying to do in this code. Okay,
Can you please explain the above line?
which
Dollar
one?
symbol is div empty.
Where line
Yeah,
number? Which one?
20, 20, 20.
20. Actually, this one is by default what they know. So if there are some content in this div tag,
Your voices was breaking.
if they want to remove, say for example, first, there are some test content available in this. This is ID, you know, right? ID has the given. uh, do results, do tag, results div they have given here. Okay, some test content is there. So here you want to display this result. You want to display result means how to, first we need to remove this test, right? So to remove that, whatever the content, even it may be available or might not be available. Okay, for best practice we are removing the content. So to remove the content, they have added this line.
Okay.
Okay. See, here also, first they have emptied the content. After that, they are adding that content, error message, data dot response error, JSON dot error. If there is any error message, they are adding.